Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We've got a factory-built 2015 P389 glider kit to show you. Got a pre-log, pre-mission 12.7 liter Detroit, 13-speed. Engine is just completely went through, full overhaul, all new rubber, full detail. I've gotten hot today. Gonna show you underneath, show you and finish up on the inside with oil pressure and interior. Let's go ahead and get started. Rubber. Extremely clean under the hood. Good looking ride all the way around. Body and paint's in really good shape. All the aluminum's polished out. Frame's in good shape. Back of the sleeper, really good looking. Like I said, all new rubber, all aluminum wheels, air slide fifth wheel. Excellent brakes as well. Not call them new. Platinum interior. We've upgraded this driver's seat to a new leather one. Floor's in good shape. Dash is nice. Chrome package. You've got a total 1.1 million miles on it, and then like I said, the engine was just done. Full operating temp, great low side oil pressure, super smooth through the RPMs, and oil pressure jumps up there like it's supposed to. Sounds extremely well. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or anything else, feel free to give me a call. 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.